We've all been there. You're rushing to finish a project, the deadline is looming, and your PC decides to slow to a crawl. It's like trying to drive a car with the parking brake on. Frustrating, right? A slow computer can really throw a wrench in your day. But don't worry, there's hope. With a few simple tweaks and a bit of TLC, you can get your PC back up to speed and running like a champ. Think of it like this. Just like a car needs regular tune-ups to run smoothly, your PC needs regular maintenance to perform at its best. Just like you wouldn't skip oil changes for your car, your PC needs regular maintenance too. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as rebuilding an engine. One of the easiest things you can do is run a disk cleanup. Think of this like taking out the trash on your computer. It removes temporary files, empties the recycle bin, and frees up valuable space on your hard drive. Another quick win is defragmenting your hard drive. This is like organizing a messy closet. It helps organize your files so your computer can access them faster. Now let's talk about the software side of things. One of the biggest culprits of a slow PC is having too many programs running at startup. It's like having 20 different apps open on your phone at the same time. It's going to slow things down. Go through your startup programs and disable any that you don't use regularly. You can easily access this by typing startup apps in your Windows search bar. Another helpful tip is to uninstall any programs you're not using anymore. They're just taking up space and potentially slowing down your PC. Think of software updates like giving your PC a vitamin boost. They often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and security patches that keep your system running in tip-top shape. It's tempting to ignore those update notifications, but trust me, it's best to stay on top of them. Most operating systems allow you to schedule updates for a time that's convenient for you. Don't forget to update your drivers too. Drivers are like translators between your hardware and software. Outdated drivers can lead to conflicts and performance issues. Sometimes software tweaks just aren't enough. If you're still experiencing slowdowns, it might be time to consider some hardware upgrades. Don't worry, you don't need to build a supercomputer to see a difference. One of the most impactful upgrades is adding more RAM. Think of RAM as your computer's short-term memory. The more RAM you have, the more tasks your computer can handle simultaneously without slowing down. Another game changer is upgrading from a traditional hard drive to a solid-state drive, or SSD. SSDs are like lightning-fast storage devices that can significantly speed up boot times, application loading, and overall system responsiveness. Section 6. Keeping it clean inside and out. Believe it or not, dust can be a major performance killer for your PC. Dust buildup can clog fans, restrict airflow, and cause components to overheat, leading to slowdowns and even hardware failure. Make it a habit to clean your PC regularly. Use a can of compressed air to blow out dust from vents, fans, and other areas where it tends to accumulate. Don't forget to clean your keyboard and mouse too. A clean workspace can do wonders for your productivity and overall PC experience. Section 7. Final tips for a speedy PC. Here are a few more bonus tips to keep your PC running smoothly. Close unnecessary browser tabs. Those tabs can eat up your RAM. Run a malware scan regularly. Malware can slow down your system and compromise your security. Consider a lightweight antivirus. Some antivirus programs can be resource-intensive. Remember, a fast and efficient PC is within your reach with a little effort, and these easy-to-follow tips. Section 8, the ultimate PC optimization checklist. Software optimization. Run disk cleanup. Defragment your hard drive. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Uninstall unused programs. Install all software updates including drivers. Hardware optimization. Consider adding more RAM. Upgrade to an SSD. Clean your PC regularly, inside and out. Bonus tips: close unnecessary browser tabs. Run regular malware scans. Choose a lightweight antivirus. Section 9. Wrapping it up. There you have it, folks. Optimizing your PC doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these simple tips and tricks, you can breathe new life into your trusty machine and enjoy a smoother, faster, and more enjoyable computing experience. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way, so go ahead and give your PC some love. It'll thank you for it.